Hi guys, it's Neetu and I just got a package today from Tarte, the Canadian site, and I ordered on their site because in North America they were having a Boxing Day sale. So if you ordered $100 worth of product, you would get $30 off, and I thought that was a really good deal. Well, was because the deal's over now. But so I just got this package today and I'm going to open it up and show you what I got from Tarte Cosmetics.
Like a knife would have been better because these are dull and really old and rusty scissors, but I'm going to try my best here with these because this is what I got. Okay. Throw that away. So this is what it looks like inside. And okay. Opening up the package. Okay.
So this is the Tarte High Performance Powder. So it's a loose powder like the MAC HD, not the MAC, sorry, the Makeup Forever HD loose powder. Let's open this up and I can show you. Okay, so this is the mini version of the setting powder and it was $17 plus tax. It has a plastic thing over there, which is very handy. I think I'm gonna keep that like that for a while. I'm gonna actually use that to stop it after. Anyways, yeah, so it's just a loose setting powder and it had good reviews. So I got this. Another thing I got is the Colored Clay Eyebrow Gel. So it is colored and I got it in taupe because you know that I bleach my eyebrows, right? So my eyebrows are lighter than my hair color. But I dyed my hair, so actually it's almost the same color as my hair color. But anyways, I got this. What it says on the back kind of makes me laugh because it says formulated without parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, triclosan, sodium lauryl sulfate, and gluten. So that's kind of funny. It's formulated without gluten. Probably that's very good if you have celiac disease. I don't know, do you break out or have reactions if your products have gluten in them? I didn't even know that makeup products use gluten in makeup. Like, I didn't know that. Is that a thing? So this is formulated without gluten. So one of the reasons that I'm interested in Tarte is because that it's, you know, a natural cosmetics brand, and I don't know what I'm doing with this in my hand, but yeah, so can you see this is a very fine kind of tip, a very thin tip, and it has a little brush, a very little tiny little brush, and so that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna put it on my eyebrow to show you. Look. Hello, you see? Okay, look, my dark circles are showing, but that's okay. I think there is gel on here. Maybe I need to put more gel on there. I don't know if you can see a difference between the two. I think it's a little different. So yeah, I just want something that helps my eyebrows stay in place. I also noticed recently that I'm getting gray eyebrow hairs. Kind of weird. First time that I saw gray eyebrow hairs, I was like, what? How old am I? What's going on? It was kind of a shock, but now I have this, so I can kind of hide that. The next thing I got, and I really wanted to try, is the Maracuja Creaseless Concealer. And I love that it says creaseless in it because I'm also getting fine lines and I'm not really wearing much concealer right now. So that's why, like, I have BB cream on and that's it. So you can see that my dark circles are kind of prominent. And probably especially in this lighting. This is not the best lighting. I'm not at home, I'm still in Toronto, Canada. So this is also formulated without parabens and other things, even gluten. So this is the shade Medium Neutral for people with pink and yellow undertones. I actually do have both in my skin. I've tried things that were more for yellow undertones and it didn't look right. So I'm for sure a neutral. So I was nervous about getting this online. Oh, trying to squeeze it out. It's very hard to squeeze out because I was afraid of, would it match my skin tone? Would it be okay? But it seems like it is okay. So if you, I'm gonna show you a little there. It is a thick, it is a thick cream, sorry. Yeah, it's quite, I think the shade is right. It is pretty thick. Here, I'll try it on this side. I'm gonna actually put it, oops, hit the camera. Sorry. Anyways, it blends in, but I'm gonna put it on my under eyes and show you.
Did I choose the right color? I'm not sure. Wish I flew. I think I might not have. I think I had to put less of it on. Oh my god, you really just need a little. I'm gonna blend it out now. Okay, look, I look like a panda.
It does cover the dark circles really well. So that's what it looks like now, and yeah, I think it does cover the dark circles really well, and I can see that it does leave a bit of a shine because it's like a cream, so it kind of has like that highlighter effect or dewy effect to it a bit. So yeah, then you could put powder over it if you want to. But yeah, so I think that the color is okay once blended in. I just have to make sure that I don't put too much on, like I kind of did maybe. And this is what it looks like now up close. I ripped this out of the packaging because it was so hard. I had to take scissors and cut this off, and then I scratched the back a bit. You can't really tell, but there's a little scratch there from the scissors now. Anyway, I got the Park Avenue Princess Palette Volume 2, and I saw this at Sephora and the Tarte shop here in Europe and in Italy. There are no Tartes, at least in Italy, there are no Tarte shops. And so I was always curious about this, so when I went into Sephora one day, a few days ago, I saw this and I really liked it, and so this is one of the things I definitely wanted to order, and this was $41 plus tax, regular price. And this has in it the Amazonian Clay Matte Waterproof Bronzer in Park Avenue Princess, Amazonian Clay Highlighter in Champagne, and Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Glisten. Okay, so I already filmed all of this before, but I'm filming it again because it just didn't record. Sometimes I have trouble recording these days. It's just the SD card. But anyways, these are the colors. Okay, Park Avenue Princess Bronzer, Glisten Blush. You can see that I use my finger there because I filmed this before. The Champagne Highlighter. I mean, I filmed all this just before. So that's what it looks like there. The bronzer. And I love this blush. And I love the highlighter as well. It's really good for my skin tone. This color, all these colors suit my skin tone very well. Now I'm actually on this side of my face wearing all of them. So here's the blush, the highlighter, and the bronzer is on here. And I have nothing on this side of my face, but I'll put some more on so you can see a bit better. More blush, because I already had it on my finger anyway. I'll put some highlighter down my nose, and let's see if there's extra I can tap around here. But yeah, so I just didn't bring brushes with me into this room, and I don't want to leave and get them. So I'm using my fingers right now. But yeah, so that's what the colors look like. I'm going to take a bit of the bronzer, and look, I can make a streak on this side. So you can kind of see what it looks like on my skin here. This is gonna look so funny. Here, I'll put a streak here. So you can see what the color looks like there. Like, you know, stark as day. Some of the highlighter there. Those are what the colors look like. So I just wanted to show you what they look like on my face.
Yeah, so I'm actually gonna blend this out now. Let's put some. Make sure it's blended. Oh, I can look in this mirror. This mirror is so nice and big. I hope I didn't like alarm anyone by pointing the mirror at them.
Okay, so I also got 2 free samples, and one is of the famous maracuja oil. And it says 96% saw an overall visual improvement in skin, and 90% agree fine lines and wrinkles look visibly reduced. So you can use them as like a cuticle oil treatment. You can use them on your face, and yeah, I think I'm gonna use them under my eyes because I've been noticing fine lines. Yeah. Okay, the other free sample I got is of this Brazilian's Skin Rejuvenated Maracuja Self-Tanning Face Towelette. I'm not going to use this on my face, but I think that I will use this on my legs. I'll let you know how that goes. And that's it. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!